Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, and we have started with theme 3 algebra part we will be seeing now, and fundamental concepts 18, chapter number 18, fundamental concepts. Okay, so let us see algebra. Algebra is completely a new concept for you kids. 5th standard it was not there, right? So we will see what is algebra. So algebra is a generalized form of arithmetic. In algebra we use numbers like 5 minus 8, decimal number, etc. Okay, but in algebra what we do is we make it generalized. What is the meaning of that? We make it generalized. We make generalize with A, B and C. You can use any alphabet from A to Z, small alphabet. To generalize it means what? A boy has X number of video games, or a girl has Y number of hair bands. Okay. So what does it mean? That value of x can be anything, value of y can be anything. So that is called the generalized form. But when I say 5 to the boy has 3 video games, means it is firm, it is confirmed that the boy has 3 video games. But when a girl has 5 hair bands, it is also confirmed that the girl has exactly 5 hair bands, right? So, but in algebra we say the girl has x number of hair bands, the boy has x number of video games. Okay, x video games. What does it mean? The value may vary. Okay, it is generalized form. That this is what is generalized form. For example, 7x. Now here value of x can be anything. Value of x, 7x means 7 multiplied by x. So 7x means 7 multiplied by x. Value of x can be anything. Value of x can be 1, 2, 3 minus decimal anything, right? Here also 3x minus 2. So value of x can vary. Means it can change. So these are all algebraic expressions. So 5a plus, how to read? 5a plus b, 2y minus 5x, x plus 2y minus 7z. Okay. The letters used in algebra are called variables or literal numbers, or simply literals. They do not have a fixed value. So these letters which we use are from A to Z, small letters A to Z, and they are known as variables. So A, B, C up to Z, small letters are known as variables. Literal numbers, they are also known as literal numbers or simply literals. But in general, we will deal with variables. Means we will use variables. Alright. Now let us see signs and symbols. Now when we will be forming algebraic expressions, so we will be dealing with alphabets, we'll be dealing with numbers, we'll be dealing with signs and symbols. Let us see how. In algebra, the signs plus, minus, multiplication and division are used in the same sense as they are used in arithmetic. Right? So is equal to means, this is equal to sign means is equal to, smaller than sign means is less than, is not less than, you can see is not less than is shown this way. Therefore, 3 dots, 1 dot up and 2 down shows therefore. And this sign means difference between. Okay, this sign means different between. You can see this sign, this means is not equal to. This sign means is greater than. You can see is not greater than. Just draw a line on greater than sign. And this means because or since. This means because or since, and this arrow means implies that. This implies that. Okay, so these are the symbols and signs which we use for with algebraic expression. Let us see writing a given statement in algebraic form. X subtracted from 8. Now x is subtracted from 8. So it is not x minus 8. It will be 8 minus x. Why? X is subtracted from 8. So 8 should be written first. Remember, this is the general mistake which students are doing. So write 8 minus x, which is less than y. You can see here we have used symbol 8 subtracted from x is less than y. So here we have used minus, we have used less than sign. Okay. Y divided by 5 equals 2. Y divided by 5 is equal to 2, or I can also write y divided by 5. So y divided by 5 is equal to 2. Z increased by 2x. So increased means plus. Divided means division. Subtracted means minus. So z plus 2x is equal to 23. So let us see algebraic form. X plus y is equal to 3. So how I speak, that way I have to write it in words. X plus y is equal to 3. See, x plus y is equal to 3, or sum of x and y. See, plus means sum also. So sum of x and y is equal to 3. You will say, I don't want these two. I can write like this also. X added to y is 3. This is the third way you can write, right? This is, see, now same one equation and how it is read. P minus 5 is equal to x. P minus 5 is equal to x. Then P decreased by 5 is equal to x. P exceeds y, 5 by x. Okay. So similarly you can see here 5x is greater than 7. 5x is greater than 7, or 5 multiplied by x is greater than 7, or product of 5 and x is greater than 7, or 5 times x is more than 7, right? Now here you can see 8 divided by y is less than 3. So this is the way. We'll see the exercise now. Exercise 18a. Express each of the following statements in algebraic form. The sum of 8, you can see here. The sum, these are the statements which are in words and we have to convert them in algebraic form. You have to use symbols, you have to use variables. Variables, you know, x, y, z, a to z. You have to use symbols, you have to use signs. Okay, let us see how. The sum of 8 and x. Sum means plus. Sum means plus. So 8 plus x is equal to y. So sum of 8, that is 8 and plus, sum means plus, so 8 plus x equals means this. So I will write 8 plus x is equal to y. X decreased by 5. X is decreased by 5 is equal to y. So I have written x decreased by 5 is equal to y. The sum of 2 and x. The sum of 2 and x means 2 plus x is greater than y. So write y here. The sum of x and y means x plus y. Sum of x and y means x plus y is less than. So you can see here less than sign, 24. 15 multiplied by m. So 15 multiplied by m gives 3n. 15 multiplied by m gives 3n. Okay. Product of 8 and y is equal to 3x. Product means multiplication. Multiplied means multiplication. Sum means plus. Sum of what? Multiplication of what? That is important. So product of 8 and y means 8 multiplied by y is equal to 3x. I have written here. 30 divided by b. So 30 divided by b is equal to p. I can also write 30 divided by b is equal to p. Okay. Z decreased by 3x. Z decreased by 3x. So z minus 3x is equal to y. 12 times x, that is 12x. 12 times x, 12x is equal to 5z. 12 times x is equal to 5z. 12 times x is greater than 5z. So 12 times x is greater sign 5z. 12 times of x is less than 5z. 12 times of x is less than 5z. Okay. 3z. So times means multiplied by. Times means multiplied by. 3z subtracted from 45. So when it is from 45, so you have to write 45 first. So 45 minus, subtracted means minus. 45 minus 3z is equal to y. 8x divided by y. 8x divided by y is equal to 2z. 7y subtracted from 5x. So 5x minus 7y is equal to 8z. From a 5x means 5x should be written first. So 5x minus 7y is equal to 8z. 7y decreased by 5x. 7y minus 5x is equal to 8z. Okay. So these were all algebraic forms which we have seen. Statements into algebraic form into statements also we will see now. Alright. So let us see this. For each of the following algebraic expressions, write a suitable statements in words. 3x plus 8 is equal to 15. The way I am reading, the way you have to write. 3x plus 8 is equal to 15. I have written 3 times x added to 8 is 15. Okay, you can write the sum of 3x and 8 is equal to 15. So, you can write one expression in many ways. Okay, so 7 minus y is greater than x, or y subtracted from 7 is greater than x. So, I have written here 7 minus y is greater than x. Now, 2y minus x is smaller than 12. You can write 2 times y minus x is less than 12. 5 divided by z is 5, or 5 divided by z is equal to 5. I have written here a plus 2b is greater than 18, or you can write sum of a and 2b is greater than 18. You can see here I have written 2x minus 3y is equal to 16, or 3y subtracted from 2x gives 16, or is equal to 16. Similarly, 4b subtracted from 3a is greater than 14, or 3a minus 4b is greater than 14. B plus the sum of b and 7a is less than 21. Okay, and now see this. X subtracted from the sum of 16 and 2a. See, x subtracted from the sum of 16 and 2a is greater than 25. So be careful in these two. X subtracted from the sum of 16 and 2a. So this is plus, so sum of 16 and 2a, we are subtracting x. So x subtracted from the sum of 16 and 2a is greater than 25. So we have written it here. Then y subtracted from sum of 3x and 12 is less than 3a. Okay. So let us see. So please complete it in textbook itself. Okay. So let us see the next topic, constants and variables. So in algebra we come across two types of symbols, namely constants and variables. So if you will see any, like you just check here also, or you can see here, two types of symbols are usually there. One is constant, another is variable. Means one is number and other is variable, that is alphabets. Okay, so let us see now. A symbol with a fixed numerical value in all situations is called constant. That is 5, 30, 256, minus 7, 5 by 3, 7 by 9, etc. Means what? If I say you have 10 chocolates, means 10 chocolates are fixed. So the value of 10 is 10 only. It will never change. When I say you have got 100 out of 100 marks, means you have got 100 marks, means the value of your marks is not going to change. It is not like something which will vary. Okay, once it is said that you have got 100 out of 100 means your marks are fixed, that you have got 100 out of 100. So such type of fixed numerical value is known as constant. Okay. Whereas a symbol whose value changes with situation is called variable, such as x, y, p, q, 5x, etc. Now, it is said that the variables, why the name is variable? Because it keeps on varying. It keeps on varying. It keeps on changing according to the situation or sums. Okay? Or examples. Now, here it is said that A to Z, any alphabet is variable, and also 5x is a variable. Why? Because if you will put value of x, Suppose value of x is 1, so 5 ones are 5. If I put value of x as 2, so 5 twos are 10. So the value keeps on changing. That's why it is called as variable. The value changes, varies. So now you know constants and variables. Okay. So in 3x, 3 is constant and x is a variable. But together 3x is a variable. Right? Means in 3x, 3 is constant and x is variable. But together, since x is attached with 3, we say that 3x is a variable because values of x will change. So whole product will change. Okay. Now let us see. Okay, for today we'll stop here, children, and further we'll discuss in the next video. Please start studying for your exams. All right. Thank you so much and please take care.